Okay, so do we have any program in Liakats for basic spoken
Of
or
course.
basic course for learning English?
Here at Liakat, we provide IELTS foundation course. So whenever a student comes here to get admitted, before we suggest them to a particular batch, we actually take an assessment, and throughout the assessment we try to check what the current level of the learner has. So for their assessment, we actually check their pronunciation. We try to make them understand what is the basic foundation is. We try to put them into practice, like we generally provide them a topic, and after completing that topic, we check it very accurately, keeping the guidelines of IELTS in mind. So sometimes we check their scripts, and the mistakes that have been detected by us, we give them suggestions so that they can be more confident in their actual IELTS test. So assessment is the very prime need for IELTS foundation. When we found that the students is properly done all their steps, then we suggest them a particular IELTS batch. So IELTS foundation or basic is the predominant, I think, the step that a learner should complete. Without ensuring the basic fluency or skill, I think students should not go to IELTS first. Before he or she goes to IELTS first, he or she needs to make sure that currently he is strong in his basic foundation. Without ensuring basic foundation, I think IELTS should not be taken. So IELTS score or the better score really depends on your strength of your foundation.
If you practice more, I think you can get a better result for your IELTS examination.
Yes, I do agree.
Okay.